On this Friday after Epiphany, I continue once again to reflect on the first letter of John, which is the first reading for today's liturgy. I want to call attention to the first verse of the first reading when John writes, "Beloved, who indeed is the victor over the world, but the one who believes that Jesus is the Son of God?" So, first of all, I want to talk about what the world is. John says that we are victors over the world. I think what he's referring to is the world of normalcy that sometimes we take for granted. The normalcy of a world that considers me first to be the highest priority. The world of moral and spiritual superiority in which we sometimes say, "Oh, thank goodness I'm better than," fill in the blank. The normalcy of the world of petty grudges, the normalcy of violence, both verbal and physical. But because we believe that Jesus is the Son of God, we have achieved victory over the world. And so we seek not the normalcy of the world, but what is best about the world. We seek to act out our belief that we are one human family, that every human being has infinite worth and value, and that every one of us has something to contribute, something to give to the world. And so, because we believe that Jesus is the Son of God, we indeed are victors over the world as it is. We believe and we strive for and we work for the world as it can be. Thank you for watching once again.